You especially have been a stock expert. So fundamental question then arises, in among these all asset classes, why you are focused on stocks, and why some of us, at least who have the some amount to be invested into stocks, why we should focus on the stocks?
See, the answer is very simple. The upside is very high, right? If the business does well. So I'll give you, this example I give to everybody. But if you invest 100 rupees in stocks, right? The maximum that you can lose is 100. However, if the company does well, then 100 can become 10,000, it can even become 10 lakhs. And there have been actual examples, several examples just in India, right? Just imagine if you had bought HDFC Bank in 95, right? Kotak Bank in 2007 or 8 or whenever it was listed, right?
Yes.
TCS when it was listed in 2004,
Yes.
right? Forget those big companies, even small companies like maybe people have heard of a company called Manappuram Finance, right? It is into gold lending. If you're invested any time in the last say 20 years, so the company went for an IPO in 94.
Okay.
But even if you had invested in 2007, 8, 9, 10, you still have made 20x, 50x, probably 500x, 1000x. Since 94, I think the company is around 1000x.
Wow.
Right? So the upside is, possibility is there. There is no surety, there is no guarantee. But this is a field where that upside is tremendous.
Tremendous, absolutely.
So after you are done with your basic needs, right? Basic expenses, emergency funds, basic funds where you think this is the security that I need. What if I lose my job? What if I am not able to find a new job for the next 4 months? After that, your money can go to avenues where the upside is high. Second, the most important thing is, see, stocks have a logic. Okay? The logic is this. If the business grows, if the business starts selling to new customers, new geographies, comes out with a new product which is better than its competition, right? If its revenue increases, if its profit increases, then the business has done better. If the business over a several years has done better, automatically the stock price will follow. So the logic is that if the business does well, stock price will increase.
Definitely.
So if you focus, so there is a predictability per se. I don't know where the stock price will be 6 months down the line, but if the business starts selling to 10 times more customers, starts selling at 200 rupees instead of 100 rupees for each product that it is selling, right? If its profit margin increases from 10 to 15% over the next 7-8 years, then automatically the profit is going to increase, the company is going to be worth more, the stock price is obviously going to increase. So there is a certain pattern, there is a certain predictability, and there is a certain study that can go into selecting these stocks. Vis-a-vis what I am saying is, say, Bitcoin, right? Bitcoin is very popular. I think Bitcoin has become gold, right? It has become like gold. However, there is no cash flow attached to it. So there is, in my opinion, to my mind, there is no predictability of where the price will go. Maybe it will go up, right? So it can form a certain portion of my wealth.
Absolutely.
But I don't think it can, gold or Bitcoin can form more than 5 to 10% of your entire wealth. Right? Because there is no predictability.
Yeah, definitely. So you are more or less saying that if you understand the logic behind why that price is moving, then don't focus on the price, but more focus on those attributes which can move that price around. And that's what I think with gold or with Bitcoin that happens, that it is more of a speculation rather than the intrinsic value of that asset class which is moving or which is indicative towards going to that uprise or fall or whatever it is. Because as you rightly said, I as an investor want some kind of predictability where my money will grow, when it will grow, how much it will grow. It can be less or more, but at least that predictability gives me the confidence that whether this is a good asset class or not.
Correct.